Hello, everyone, and welcome to Potpourri Candid Hours. I am Chavi, and I'm going to host this fruitful discussion today. We are going to talk on skills that middle school students need to thrive and how parents can help them achieve. Since it is the need of the hour, and when we talk about students, we definitely mention teachers. So today we have with us Miss Ujala Sawant. Ms. Ujala Salwant is a teaching faculty from Bharati Vidyapeeth School in Carthage, Pune. She is into teaching profession from last 18 years. An MA, MEd, and diploma in school management. She is also featured in various newspapers and magazines as an educator. She is also a writer, and just like every artist has a muse that inspires the artist, her inspiration is students. It is because of students that she got inspired and started writing poems. She believes that students are not just roll numbers on her register, but they are part of her life too. She really understands the students, and it is very well reflected in her poems. Like she has written examination, vocation, am I heard? She literally voices out the kids' emotions. So, Ms. Ujala, let me start by saying thank you so much for being taking out the time to be with us. It is a great honor to have you on the show. I'm sure this will
Thank
be very
you.
informative and helpful. I'm sure this will be very informative and helpful to all the students, teachers, and students, parents, and everyone watching us. So let's
Yes,
start.
sure,
My first question to you
sure.
is, when we are talking about students, what skills other than studies have you noticed in your students in school?
Chavi, let me tell you, the first thing is, children, you don't talk about what skills. I can tell you what not skills I have, observed in my students. Not only in my students, I'm sure students around the world, they are loaded with skills. Only thing is, we as an educator and parents, as an parent, need to just explore their right skills and just, help them enhancing that skill, right? So if I tell you, like, I'll cover a few skills. I can start from the critical skills, like, critical thinking, according to me, is the topmost skill what any student must have. I repeat, all these students must have critical thinking skills, and I'm sure each of them must be having it. But the only thing is, sometimes that skill is not enhanced, like it is not, coming out of their this thing mind. Sometimes they have that fear whether we are right or we are wrong. So all the parents out there who are listening right now, i insist you I insist you, please help them, to come out from that critical thinking, unless and until they think on their own, instead of, just uh, all the time taking your support and thinking. Let them think on their own. There are so many things, which they can think upon, like, and they can of course give their views on it. It is not necessarily always to judge your children, that I wanted, अरे मैंने तो इसको ये पूछा था, तो इसका तो ये आंसर तो नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड सी दिस फूल, ये कुछ भी आंसर दे रहा है, ये तो ऐसे बता रहा है. बट इट इज, सी, try to understand. First thing is, when you are putting question to a child, when you are putting question to a child, do you frame the question keeping in mind the age of the child? हम लोग ऐसा तो frame नहीं करते ना. We randomly ask them question. Yes, as an educator, we do frame the question depending on, like, depending on what students what they are going to opt for. So critical thinking is one of the skills. I can talk of the skills of creativity. Creativity is also something, is a very good skill which each child possess, and each parent must know what the child is interested in. Like when I talk of creativity, please identify that creation in your child, what your child really wants to, speak, like what he wants to speak, what he wants to tell, where he wants to explore, and just give him a helping hand. Try to identify it at an early age, and then as a parent, you can help them do so. Collaboration is one more skill which I would like to talk upon. See, when children collaborate, when they collaborate anything, they learn something extra. Okay, if I'm giving them a topic, as a parent, agar I have told my child कि you have to do this work, why can't I tell my child कि आप ये collaborate करो, आप देखो, आप मैं आपको ये काम दे रही हूँ, this is regarding India. Suppose I'm telling him to write something, I am telling him to write about road safety. Okay, so he will think only about road safety of India, कि उसने जो देखा है वो लिखेगा. Why can't you tell him to collaborate? Tell him to collaborate with other countries too. Then you will tell him, he will explore, the child will explore. I have to, there are so many horizons, there are so many things, where I can, really explore myself. I can really work on that. So collaboration is important, and it is for all the parents. When I talk of collaboration, you are part of that collaboration. The first collaboration starts with the parent only. You collaborate first with your child. You help your child first with that, and then let him do what he wants to do on his own, right? Communication is also a very good skills. Like there are, other than these skills, I must say communication is also a very important skill. The way you communicate, see, always don't judge the book by its cover, right? Always don't judge your child. अरे इसने ये competition में part लिया था, but he stood second, he stood third, ये तो अच्छा बोला ही नहीं वहां पे. It's okay. At least the child has tried. Let us understand that the child has tried. As a parent, अगर आप उसको बोलोगे, as a parent, if you will talk, like, see, because I am a teacher, I am telling you that whatever I have observed, I am sharing that with you. कि आपके बच्चे को, अगर if I am taking a child for any competition as a teacher, and if he stood third, or if he is getting a consolation prize, next time when I am choosing that child, the parent comes in and tells me, मिस उसको आप मत लीजिए, कुछ इसने किया तो नहीं लास्ट टाइम, ये तो कंसोलेशन में आया था, तो मिस इसको ना, इसमें वो है नहीं, मिस वो फायर नहीं है इसमें, तो मिस आप इसको मत लीजिए, आप किसी और को ले लीजिए. क्यों? Why as a parent should we think like that? I am also a parent of a 20 years old child. I am also a parent. हम पेरेंट होके ये क्यों सोचेंगे? Why should we think like that कि वो नहीं कर सकता? Why can't we tell him, अरे आप अभी कंसोलेशन में आए हो, okay, you try, maybe you will come. See, always tell them, don't tell them कि आप कंसोलेशन में आए हो तो आप अभी ये दूसरे कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करोगे तो you will come first. See, don't tell that. That is all, it all depends on what that particular child does, what he does, it totally depends on that. But yes, you can tell that child कि आप participate करो, आप consolation में आए हो, maybe again you can come in the consolation, maybe from consolation you can come to third prize, so we'll keep on trying. See, all these things, I have literally in my 18 years of service, मैंने ये देखा है कि this is, I must say, this is a failure of a parent. कि why you want that first only place? अरे there are 40 students participating, कोई एक ही बोल आएगा ना first, everyone cannot come. So see, communication is also one of the skills, I must tell you. This is important. Digital literacy is one of the skills. Nowadays we are in 21st century, and because of this pandemic, we all have, experienced the digital literacy. We all are experiencing right now also digital literacy. It is a time when all parents are now, attending this meeting through digital way only, like, so, this is something each child must know. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो child के life में कुछ भी problem आ सकता है, and that child might require a digital literacy. why not train that child for that? You know, so it is a
Yeah.
skill. आप ऐसे मत
Yeah.
बोलो कि आपका बच्चा हमेशा मोबाइल पे रहता है, आपका बच्चा हमेशा कंप्यूटर्स पे, पीसी पे बैठा रहता है. अरे, this is a, you know, call. It is a demand. It is a demand which is, you know,
Yeah.
asking him to do that. So, you know, you really cannot deny your child all these things. And other than this,
Yeah.
there are many media literacy. Let the
Yes,
child
of course.
explore media के through भी बहुत सारे चीजें, you know, they come to know,
Yeah.
like, so
Yes, of
these
course.
are just
So
a
we can
few,
sum up.
there are many.
Yes, of course. So we can sum up like this, that it's that age that kids are full of energy, and it's the responsibility of parents to channelize those energy and skills. Yeah.
Yes.
Moving on. Now let's talk about self-awareness and problem-solving skills. As you were talking about critical thinking, it's related to that only. So the ability to accurately judge one's own performance and behavior, to respond appropriately to different social situations. How important is self-awareness and problem-solving skills, and how can the middle school children inculcate these skills?
Okay. I'll first talk about self-awareness. Like, okay, when I'm talking about self-awareness, remember that through self-awareness, the child recognizes his or her own strength and challenges. Okay, बच्चे को
True.
खुद
Yeah.
पता चलता है. When he is self-aware, he know what is my strength. He know what are the challenges. Okay, like they can themselves figure out what they have to exactly do. This is the work of the self awareness skill. अगर आप एक बच्चे को खड़ा कर देते हो, उसके बाजू में some child is standing, you know, take for example, you are taking your child to a wedding. Okay, the child is attending a wedding with you. Okay, as a parent, he is attending a wedding. उस wedding में he is playing with some other children. He doesn't know कि ये जो 10 बच्चे मेरे साथ खेल रहे हैं, इनमें से from this one child is a special child. Maybe he doesn't know. See, as a adult we come to know very quickly. As children, so at such time वो बच्चा जिनके साथ खड़ा है, जिनके साथ बातें कर रहा है, he doesn't know, तो वो क्या करेगा? ये दूसरे 10, you know, that special child, if he is saying something wrong, वो कुछ गलत कर रहा है, this child will not come to know कि वो he is a special child unless and until self awareness. He must know कि मैं इनसे अलग हूँ. If he will come to know his own potential and self awareness, कि the way he is behaving, like for this thing, this was not expected, but he did this. So, you know, like self awareness की अच्छा ठीक है, he maybe he is a special child, ये बच्चे को नहीं समझ में आया, मगर उसको अगर ये समझ में आया कि this is the right time कि मैं हंसू नहीं उस पे, I should not laugh on that child, I should, you know, not make you know, poke fun at him, or you know, so just show some you know, not so good gestures to that child. These are some self awareness you know, qualities which see, there are private self awareness and public self awareness also. प्राइवेट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इज, अगर मैंने किसी बच्चे को बोल दिया आप ये रीड करो, ही विल गेट बटरफ्लाइज इन हिज स्टमक, यू नो, ही नोज प्राइवेटली, अरे 10 बच्चे मेरे पास देख रहे हैं. सो नो, दिस इज प्राइवेट सेल्फ अवेयरनेस की he is only thinking about himself कि I may not sound good when I am reading, I may pronounce something wrong, and you know, others may laugh on me. ऐसा हो सकता है. And one is public self awareness कि आप पब्लिकली अपने बच्चे को कितना सेल्फ अवेयर करते हो कि यू हैव टू, यू नो, go in for that particular competition, you are attending the debate. So, you know, when you are attending the debate, you should be self aware, you must know how you have to speak for that debate, you know. So these are like when I talk of self awareness, these are some of the things which the child must know. And as a parent you must know कि ऐसे चीजें होती रहेंगी. So please train your children for that. See, when you are training them, they definitely give their best. Believe me, all dear parents, believe me, जब हम अपने बच्चों को ट्रेन करके कहाँ लेके जाते, you will see दैट आपने ही ट्रेनिंग दी है, आप खुद भूल गए हो कि मैंने ऐसा बोला था कि ये अंकल को ऐसा बोल देना, नमस्ते बोल देना, ये बोल देना एंड ऑल. यू विल फॉरगेट बट द चाइल्ड विल नॉट फॉरगेट. दैट चाइल्ड विल
Yeah.
do exactly what you have trained him. Okay.
Yeah. So it's the parents' responsibility to train their children, and this training will go on. It's like long process. Okay. Moving on. Um, Social economic learning has been heard in education for a long time now. So could you please throw some light on it? What is it exactly? Its importance, and how can a student imbibe this?
Okay. Sure. You know, today's children are attending the school which is multicultural and multilingual from all backgrounds.
Yes.
You see all sets of children coming into the school. ये टाइम पे पेरेंट्स का क्या रोल है? आप अपने बच्चों को बताइए. You please tell your children that when you will go to school, in your class you might get a child from some other religion. How much you respect your own religion, वो बच्चा भी अपने religion को उतना ही importance देगा. आप अगर आपका बच्चा अगर वो फ्रेंड को बता रहा है, if he is telling his friend, कि पता है कल हमने तो ना दिवाली में ये सेलिब्रेट किया, ऐसे किया. If he is having his classmate, his bench partner who is a Muslim, okay, that child might not reciprocate the way this child is expecting him to reciprocate. He might ask you what you did, and that child might say, नहीं हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, टीवी देखा, ये किया, वो किया. Okay. Train your children कि आप अपना रिलीजन जैसा आपको अच्छा लगता है, दूसरे बच्चों को अपना रिलीजन. सो रिस्पेक्ट. डोंट टेल दैट चाइल्ड, अरे आप what you are wearing and coming to school, we don't wear that. So what is this? ये आपका, why you have this extra hair here? And train them कि आपको ऐसे टाइप के लोग मिलेंगे. Okay. Second thing, which I have experienced, बच्चे जब स्कूल में आते हैं, other than speaking English, whatever school they go to, whether it is an international school or anything, throughout the school hours, एक ऐसा टाइम आता है, when they speak in their mother tongue, they speak in Hindi or they speak in any other language. This is where this social emotional आप कि आप अपने बच्चों को so sweet. I can see two sweeties. It happens that you have to tell your children to be socially and emotionally learning things. Emotionally also that child has to learn. किसी ने बोल दिया, तू तो you are from a Muslim community, ये आपके वजह से ही सब झगड़ा हो रहा है. See, dear parents, let me tell you, we have observed this. जो पेरेंट घर में जो बात करते हैं, बच्चे स्कूल में आके, मिस yesterday on TV what was happening, and miss what is, miss I'll tell you ये किसकी गलती है, मिस ये जो पाकिस्तान है ना, इसको ये ऐसे कर देना चाहिए, मिस ये है ना, इसको. Don't speak such things in front of your children. This is social emotional learning. They are learning from you, and then they are getting emotionally attached to what you are speaking in. Speak the right thing and explain them that yes, such things are happening, but there is a reason behind it, and we should not quickly judge that. Please, parents.
So
please
it's again, so we can say that it's again the training. This comes into training part from the parents' side. Okay. So now as we all know, for a student, integrity is very important. Academic integrity, which includes making ethical decisions, asking questions, following instructions. So since Independence Day is around the corner, how do you think students can develop a feeling of academic integrity?
When we talk about integrity, dear parents, charity begins at home. You all must be believing that it begins at home. you will show integrity, your child will definitely he will have that integrity with him. You know, it is
Yes.
something which should be imbibed in you. मैं पेरेंट्स को पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे पे कितने पेरेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो खुद रात को डिसाइड करते हैं कि कल इंडिपेंडेंस डे है और बैठ के बच्चों के साथ ये बोलते हैं, नहीं कल अगर आपके स्कूल को छुट्टी है फिर भी हमें उठना है, वी हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली, स्कूल को छुट्टी है, स्कूल विल डू द फ्लैग होस्टिंग, okay, we have to go to school. What happens? The child doesn't come to school, child comes the next day, the teacher asks, आप क्यों नहीं आए थे? मीस मम्मी ने बोला है कल तो छुट्टी है ना इंडिपेंडेंस डे, तो आज जल्दी नहीं उठना है, आज हम लोग आराम से. दिस इज इंटीग्रिटी. लाइक ये पेरेंट्स ही जब ऐसे, इफ एज अ पेरेंट्स अगर आप नहीं करोगे, मेक अ पॉइंट, आप एज अ पेरेंट मेक अ पॉइंट कि आप टीवी के सामने बैठे हो, यू आर शोइंग रिपब्लिक डे परेड टू योर चाइल्ड.
Yes.
Believe me, parents, you will see wonders. I will tell you, you know, children, what you teach them till the end, that is set up in their mind till the end. Please imbibe in them these qualities. Like you must be having. I am not saying I am with
Yeah,
full
sorry
due
to cut you
respect
short.
to all the
Yeah.
parents. Ki
Sorry to cut you short, Ms. Ujala. We can sum up in this way that parents should perform, parents should demonstrate these skills themselves, and this is not a hard effort for them to put this on their kids, right? So quickly in one line, can you just tell me what is the role of parents, or how do you think parents can help students in gaining all these skills? We have sum up that the main point could be do it yourself, and the students will, and the children will just see. So is there any other main point in this?
Yeah, sure. I will through this you know a talk only, I would like to request parent, if you want, see, I am again stressing on that, each child has all these skills. सभी बच्चों के पास whatever skills I told is all you know already there with your child. Please look into your child. First thing is trust your child. The day you will trust your child will tell you what is going on inside his mind. You know, when he tells you what is going on inside his mind, you will come to know his weaker skills. You'll come to know his weaker skills. You can, you know, work on his weaker skills. You can like talk to him कि आपका weaker skill क्या है, and I am there with, you know, I am there with you. We both will together. That is why I told collaboration is also one more skill, and parents are the best collaborator. आपका बच्चा स्कूल में खाली 6 घंटा हमारे पास रहता है, पूरे दिन आपका बच्चा आपके पास रहता है, तो दिस आपकी, you know, it is your responsibility कि आप देखें कि आप बच्चों के साथ क्या कर रहे हो. Yes, I am also a working parent. I also spend very less time with my child, but whatever time I spend with my child, it is a quality time, and I see to it that I, you know, I take from my child whole day what he did. And I tell him also, आप भी share कीजिए अपने बच्चों के साथ. You know, you can share. पता है आज मैंने ये किया, I observe that. So observation skills. You are telling your child that these are observation skills. Today I did this. I observed that my colleague was not very happy. She was sad. And you know, in my office, I helped my colleague. कि क्या हुआ आज, आप बहुत आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही है, you are very unhappy. बच्चा भी वही करेगा. बच्चा स्कूल में जाएगा, बच्चे को पता चलेगा something is wrong. Observation. He will observe. अरे मेरी today my teacher is not so, you know, very happy. He might ask teacher, miss, something is wrong. The teacher might say, yes, the class is not responding good. कल मैंने ये आपको काम दिया था, आपने ये homework नहीं किया है. So I am very sad. You know, these are the skills which the child will develop with the help of the parents. Okay. So these only, you know, collaborating with child will only help parent. That is only the best mantra I can give you. Your child, you collaborate with your child, you will find all the skills in your children.
Yeah. So I think this is very easy to follow also, because, you know, even I have a kid. So you just, whenever I go to take her, I ask her that, how was your day? What did you do? And she also asks me the same thing.
Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is a very easy thing. And I'm sure it's very easy for all the parents to follow, and giving quality time, as you said, again, that's the main point. That's very important. Okay. So with this, we are done with the questions. Now, something about your poems. You are a school teacher who is also exceptionally well skilled in creating your own poems. Yeah, no, I have read your poems, a few of them, yes. So we would be very happy if you could just recite some of your latest poems,
Thank you.
any that you feel like.
Yeah. Latest poem I have written on Independence Day, because just tomorrow we have Independence Day. So I thought I can write something on Independence Day. And since all the parents are here, I have written a poem uh, it's regarding a child's, heart, what he feels from his heart. Two poems I'm going to recite. And dear parents, through my poem, if your child's emotions are reaching you, please think on it. Think on it, that what your child must be feeling. Chavi, if you permit me, can I look into my diary, because I have written down, so I need to
Yeah, sure,
just,
sure.
thank you,
Yeah,
thank you,
please,
thank you.
please go ahead.
The title of the poem is Am I Heard? Dear Dad, can you hear me? You are so busy that hardly you see. I require your watch on me and time. To question you that, for me, is a crime. You earn for me and give me material things. To spend time with you, my dreams once winged. My mom is busy with office and other chores. I want to spend time with you both on mountains and seashores. I am tired of watching television and playing online games. Your attention, love, and care in future will bring me fame. My teachers expect me to do well. My feelings have no value. My life is like a hell. Oh, dear parents, stop running after money. Your love and attention for me is not less than a honey. I only want you to know I need your concern wherever I go. I need your concern wherever I go. So this is something I think all parents will relate to, that including me, we all are running after money. And really, this is something I have observed, you know, uh, whatever poems I write, I want to tell everyone, it is straight from my heart, and it is what I observe is what I write. This I have observed in my school children, and I have seen, I have observed them, I talk to them. When they tell me certain things, it really makes me very sad. And once I thought that I should put it down in, a form of a poem. And when we talk of Independence Day, yes, I do have a poem on Independence Day. I would like to share that also. My country India always shines, cause each citizen feels I belong to it, it's mine. But to reach this great height, there were some leaders who had to fight. They wanted to free India from aliens' cage, to preserve its rich culture and awesome heritage. Now we are in charge of our nation's beauty, which will be served only with dedicated duty. Let's join hands together to make our nation proud. Stop corruption, avoid bribe, say it aloud. Keep India clean, kadam aage badhao, beti bachao, beti padhao. Remember our constitution and its fundamental rights. Use it daily and make our country pride. Cause ours is the only nation which doesn't require publicity, because people in India live in harmony, showing unity in diversity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Ujala. Wonderful poem yet again. And my heard poem, it literally sent me back to my school days. I was just thinking about my days there. So I really liked your use of words, and trust me, you are a huge inspiration to us. And thanks a lot for sharing this. So with this, we are heading towards the end of the show. That's it for today. And Ms. Ujala, thank you once again for being a part of Potpourri Candid Hours. It was a pleasure having you on the show.
Yeah.
Also,
Chavi,
a
I
very big
want to, yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Speak. No, you can speak. Yes.
No, please, you go ahead.
Yeah. You know, Chavi, first thing is I want to thank Stuti for trusting me. This is something. Secondly, for all the parents out there, uh, I must have sound today a little low because 3 of my students have been tested positive, which has made me very upset. So you know, I was not in a mood today. I mean, I have promised you that I'll be on the this thing. I'll be talking to the parents. But believe me, parents, 3 of my students have tested positive. 2 of them are very young, so it has really, from morning I am very disturbed, that the time when I have come to know that they are, I can their pictures are in front
I
of
can
me.
imagine that.
I have
Yeah, I can
prayed
imagine that.
to
It's
God
really very
that
sad.
yeah, so it is
It's really very
making
sad
it
time
very
for the
risky, but
parents. Yeah.
yeah, I have and
I
you
can't
know,
imagine what the parents and everyone
the
is going
best
through.
part, yeah, and you know, the best part is we are having our online exam. 2 of the children, they joined the Zoom meeting. They wanted to give the exam. They joined from the hospital and they told me, Miss, sorry, I cannot give my test, Miss, because I am tested positive. And really, I hats off to that parents. Hats off that that parent has inculcated that values in that child, कि वो बच्चे ने सोचा कि मैं स्कूल से भी टीचर को बता दूं कि I want to give, but it was I appreciate such parents, really, really. I appreciate all the parents because we all are, facing some of the other issues. It is very easy for me to tell the parents कि आप ये करो, वो करो. But as a parent, I am myself, I also have a 20 years old child, so I also know it is how difficult to, put into practice actually
Yes, it
what we
is.
are saying. But we all can try.
Yeah.
Trying can be always
Yeah,
done,
okay. Yes, of course. It's really very sad time for them. I just hope they get well better. Wishing them a very speedy recovery. And Mr. Ujala, thank you once again a lot. Also, a very big thank you for our audience. Thank you very much for watching the video. Comments and suggestions are very welcome. Keep tuned to Potpourri Candid Hours for more. Thank you. Be safe. Bye-bye.